Welcome to our Flooring Minute, where we tackle flooring FAQs in less than a minute. So a follow-up to a previous video, we're going to talk about the pros of dark flooring. Dark flooring with hardwood, LVP, laminate. We find that dark flooring is very rich, it's very beautiful, it makes a statement in a house, it goes with many different things throughout the house, it goes well with cabinets, it can go good with different types of color schemes. It's just a very, very beautiful floor. And so as long as you're okay with knowing you have to dust and clean it a little bit more, it's really a great option to go with. So that's our flooring minute for the day, and thank you for watching.